Today on the Roy Garage, we'll work on winterizing the boat.
Let's get started.
First things first, we're going to put some Sta-Ble in the fuel tank to keep our fuel fresh, so when we get the boat out next summer, we can hit the ground surfing. Yeah! 1 ounce of this Sta-Ble treats up to 2.5 gallons of fuel. Right now we only have 14 ounces in here, so instead of pouring this out 1 ounce by 1 ounce, I'm just going to fill this up so we have 16 ounces in here and dump the whole thing in there. Since we're driving the boat long distance, we are going to take the bimini off. Oh, here. That's why it's different. Oh, look at that. Leroy. Yeah? What's going on here, buddy? What's with that? Yeah, we gotta go snag Dad's hitch. Oh, there's where our hitch is. Oh, that's Jerry. Oh, boy. Dang.
Jerry boat ramp ready.
Look at this beaut. There is the hitch receiver we need. So that right there is where the water enters the boat. It goes in there through the engine and then cools the exhaust manifolds and comes out the exhaust. Now with that, we have the water hooked up to the boat. Now we gotta turn that water on, get the engine running for at least 5 minutes to get that Sta-Ble through the engine, and then we'll be ready to continue winterizing the boat. Start. Did you hear that? Yeah. Hey guys, we got it running. Now we got 5 minutes. Let's listen to this thing purr. Now while we have the engine running, we have this Sta-Ble fogging oil. We're gonna spray in through the carburetor. It's gonna help coat the internals and protect the cylinders. There you go. Spray fogging oil in the air intake and run for 10 seconds. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There we go. Dad, shut the water off. Just kidding, I got it. All right, final step is going to be to drain the water out of the block. Fill it up with antifreeze, drain it again to make sure we got everything out of there, and then fill it up with antifreeze again and close it off. All right, engine bay is opened up. There we go.
Tell me what you're doing there.
Taking out these blue plugs to drain the engine.
You can see mine over here. Got that one right there and that one down there. You want to get it done?
You can hear Jake Roy over there. He's already got a bunch of his plugs pulled.
Oh, yeah, there's a little bit coming out of that one. Alright, got that last one down there. And you want to poke something up the holes too, just to see if there's any debris. Oh yeah, there's some debris in that one. Alright, so now we put them back in. This one's going to be my hard one to put in, so. Alright, I got that one down there. Putting this one on. I did scratch myself. I'm bleeding a little bit, but it's kind of part of the job. There we go, got 3 on my side. Let's fill it up with some antifreeze.
Alright, here we go. There you go, Jake. Plug it in.
We did undo the plugs to make sure it was all coming out nice and pink so there wasn't any water still in the engine. I put my hand on this plug, plugged that, Jake held this back, filled it up till it was all the way full. I pulled my hand back and he put it on there just to make sure that it is completely full. So now I'm gonna put these fasteners back on here. All right, we're on to the last step. The last step is taking towels like that one and soaking up the rest of the water in the back of the boat. Thanks, Mom. All right, so I just kind of work it down in there. You can see right there, almost got all the water out. So just probably a towel or two more and we'll be good. Thank you for tuning in to this week's episode of The Roy Garage. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications.
Let's get painting. Kaylee's gonna go around and do the edges while I paint everything else. I think Kaylee's crazy. All right, let's get some action shots and let's get at it.